Hi, doing year 7, just going to talk about doing some good ideas and annotations for your towel clamp holder. We've got a few nice ideas here. We've got Pokemon at the back, we've got the dog, and we've got Bart Simpson. Maximum sizes for your plywood front is 160 by 140, and the trench made from pine is going to be 95 by 170. I've got some templates here to help me draw it quickly for you. So if you follow the video, and I'll show you what you need to do. First of all, we're going to draw the outline of Bart Simpson. If you don't have a template like this, what you can do, you can hold the pencil at the back, sketch it in rough, try and get all the sizes right first, then bring in fine detail afterwards, moving your fingers up to the front of the pen or the pencil that you're using. This is the back for Bart Simpson now. So this is going to be made from pine. This is where the trench is going to go. So all the stuff that's going to be shown on this piece is in hidden detail mostly. So there we go. Now we're going to overlay that with a place for the trench to go. Marble has to go in there. There you go. And finally, what we see at the front is the shoulders and arms as it holds the marble. To hold this out, we're going to use some wooden dowel like cylinders. That'll be attached from the front to the back. Draw the marble. The deep end of the trench is there, and the shallow end of the trench is there. That's showing the slope of the trench. Now, to show shadows and thicknesses, we're going to bring a line off to the side at about 30 degrees. Same at the back, and join it up. For the front part, or for the back, for where Bart is, add some thickness. This part here is wrong. So what you can do is that you can rub it out. Now, to finish this idea, we're going to add in some eyes. And some annotations. Now you're going to be painting this afterwards, so you can fix all the finer details afterwards. Now we're going to add in some annotations. So first of all, you show the design detail, which is a marble and a trench. D is the deep end. S is the shallow end. Next part. You're going to tell your client exactly what it is. This is Bart Simpson, inspired towel holder. Okay. After that, we're going to add in sizes. The pine wood backing has a maximum size of 95 by 170 millimeters. Okay, that's how I do the Bart Simpson one. Now we'll move on to the dog clamp one. This is a representation of the front face of the dog clamp. Now I'm not going to use the template this time. I'm going to show you how I draw it freehand. So I'm looking at the dog front face. I'm holding the pen at the back. And I'm freehand drawing it, holding it at the back. Draw as many lines as you want. You can fix it afterwards. Okay, so that's the front face. You can put eyes in afterwards when you're painting. You can put teeth in afterwards when you're painting. Next part, we're going to draw the back. I'm going to show the design detail, which is a trench, the sloping trench. Sloping trench should be about 25 by 70. We have templates here in school to help you. That shows the marble. Now, I'm going to give it some depth, some thickness. I'm going to follow it around. On the bottom, turn it in. Maybe give him a collar. Make him look really cross. And on this one, I'm going to explain that this is my trench. It's got a marble in it. It's 25 by 70 millimeters. It's a sloping trench. It's going to house a marble. This is a dog inspired towel clamp. And I'm going to put in my sizes, 160 by 140 for the plywood. And the pine is 95 by 170 pine. Now, going to show some thickness again. This time I'm going to get my whiteboard marker. Obviously you are going to use colours and pencils. Shows its thickness. You can obviously add in colours and whatever else you feel afterwards. Now, please come up with your own ones. Don't copy the one that you've seen someone else do. Try something different, but try and make it simple. the more cuts that you have to make, the more mistakes you could possibly make. But if you put time into something, you will get good grade. So that's how you do it. That's how you do your sketching. That's how you do your annotations. If I was using this sheet, I would draw it in 2D first and add in my thicknesses afterwards, going off at an angle 30 degrees or maybe 25 degrees. Go off at the angle. Now you don't have to necessarily go off to the right hand side, it's just that I'm right-handed and that's the way that I prefer to draw. You could give it thickness on the left hand side too. So that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching.